What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm going to go over our friend Fantom, FTM. Currently, we're sitting at 209. We're down about 7% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 5.28 billion, 24-hour volume 1.26 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback and crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into FTM. So we had a good opportunity to take profit there. Unfortunately, I did not set my take profit. I was just waiting for it to push a little higher, but I should have set a take profit, a 50% close, as it just wicked up there and then it came back down. So you can see we broke out of our double bottom, but we failed to reach our target and we've rolled over. So if we lose 191, guys, obviously we're going to come down. There's no support, really, not much support till about $1.36. However, guys, if we pop over to our next chart here on the daily, we have broken down from this double top. We pushed above it briefly. We got rejected by the EMAs and we came back down. So unless we can create a double bottom here on the daily, So unless we can create a double bottom here on the daily, just like this, if we hold 204, we could see a breakout back to the upside. As our money flow is absolutely in the floor, just as we were here, we saw a nice push back up. Money flow in the floor, way back down here. Beautiful push back up in the market, all right, guys? But we do have a technical target from this double top coming in at 156. Now, I want to show you guys the weekly time frame once again here. Let me pop over to the weekly. All right, guys, so we're here on the weekly chart. So in my opinion, it does look like we're starting to roll. We're losing strength on the RSI. Money is flowing out of Fantom. And that is usually an indicator that you're going to start to roll over and quite possibly come back down to your previous swing high, which is, I know it's a long way down. It's at 96 cents. That would be if Bitcoin comes back down to 27K or below. We also have really strong support right here. I do think we'd have a good opportunity to bottom out at $1.30. However, guys, we do have a massive double top pattern forming. You can see here we created a top and we've created a second top. I mean, your breakdown, this is a huge pattern on the weekly. Your breakdown target would take you all the way back down to about 46 cents. Which is a massive drop for Fantom. I would be very surprised for us to come all the way back down to that level, as there is a lot of bullish strength. We perfectly hit resistance along this ascending channel that, as I had been mentioning, guys, I said watch this ascending trend line could definitely act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened here. So if we lose the 1.414, guys, we come back down to the 1.272. To remain bullish, guys, I do think it's crucial for us to hold this support, hold the 20 EMA on the weekly, because if we do break down, we have the 55 EMA, which as of right now is coming in at about $1.40 for FTM. If we do come down, I do think it's likely we do something like this, where we just consolidate within this massive range. We find support right here and we start to break out back to the upside, because even if Bitcoin comes down to 28K, I do think Fantom would come down to about $1.30 and then bounce back to the upside. It's not until Bitcoin comes down and loses 28K. Oh, sorry, guys. If we were to come down with Bitcoin, we were to lose this low and trend lower, then I could see Fantom losing $1.30 and possibly coming back down to this previous swing high, which is at 96 cents. But it does look like we're starting to roll, as we are losing strength on the RSI as well as on the money flow index. If you took your profits up in this range, congratulations, shout out to you, as well as all of those who are new to Fantom and used our buy zone here, which was our fourth entry. If that was your first entry, that was a beautiful trade. 27% all the way up to the wick was about 35%. So if you entered here and you took your profits, or you closed 50%, 75%, you can start dollar cost averaging once again at 191. Or maybe you started at 218, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. And then if you're leverage trading, you have to double your margin. All right, guys, we've had 4 entries. I'm still in my trade. My break even is 234. If we do come all the way back down to 136, I'm perfectly okay with that, guys. I get more money in my trade and I bring down my break even price. So that's basically it for FTM. 191 does need to hold if we are going to see any type of push to the upside. If it is broken, guys, we don't have much support till about $1.36. And as you can see here on the weekly time frame, it lines up with this line I've dropped in here and would also be the support of this massive double top pattern. All right, guys, so that's basically it for FTM. We still do have our bull run targets. As long as we hold this low, in my opinion, with the previous swing high, then we have 596 at the 2. We have 1003 at the 2.272. But if we lose this low, guys, then it invalidates it, in my opinion. And we have to focus on targets to the downside. In the short term, guys, watch 204. If it's lost, do target 156, the technical target of this double top pattern. If we can get back above the EMAs, we have resistance here at 294, which is the previous high. All right, guys, that's it for FTM. If you want access to these charts, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, and the DCA charts for many altcoin projects with buy zones, take profit levels. If you want a dollar cost average into your trade, if you want to trade with us, 350 USD, price of a coffee. And you can follow me on Instagram if you like to. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.